Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best RV tire jack is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any RVer, ensuring you can safely and efficiently handle a flat tire or perform maintenance on your rig's wheels, which is why choosing the right one is paramount for peace of mind on the road. Number 5. Camco RV Stabilizing Jack Pads 4-Pack. Ensure a stable and level foundation for your trailer stabilizer jacks. Prevent them from sinking into soft earth or uneven ground, even on surfaces like gravel or tree roots. These jack pads are proudly manufactured in the USA with premium, UV-stabilized polypropylene for unmatched durability. Their patented design ensures exceptional craftsmanship and quality for your RV. Each pad offers a generous support area, dispersing heavy loads and effectively absorbing pressure. They are made from reinforced, UV-stabilized resin to withstand significant weight. These are compatible with various types of jacks, including stack jacks, RV slide-out support jacks, and fifth-wheel stabilizers. Please note they are not intended for hydraulic jacks. For convenient storage, the pads interlock with each other. A built-in handle makes them easy to carry, and a handy storage strap is also included to keep everything organized. What we like. If you often park on soft ground or uneven surfaces, these are a game changer. They prevent your jacks from sinking, providing a solid foundation. The interlocking design and included strap make storage a breeze. What people say. This jack is very stable and easy to operate. The jack is well built and feels very sturdy. It lifts the RV smoothly and safely. Number 4. Torin Big Red T9041 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack. Meet the Torin Big Red T90413, a powerful 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack. It's designed for both home and professional use, offering exceptional stability and strength. Its wide, rugged base ensures enhanced stability, while the drop-forged alloyed steel construction with reinforced stress points guarantees durability. It also meets ASME safety standards for your peace of mind. This jack provides a lifting range from 7 to 12 to 14 to 5/16 inches, with an adjustable screw top extension for added versatility. It can handle loads up to 4 tons or 8,000 pounds. Engineered with an inner-outer welded structure, it delivers leak-free performance. The high-quality hydraulic oil ensures corrosion resistance and long-lasting operation. The smooth, glide-action pressure pump allows for lifting with minimal effort. Its serrated, heat-treated saddle provides a generous lifting area and a secure grip on your load. It comes complete with a durable plastic blow mold carrying case, making storage and transport simple and convenient. Everything you need is kept organized and protected. What we like. For those needing a reliable jack for smaller to medium-sized jobs, this is your go-to. Its hydraulic system lifts with minimal effort, and the included case keeps everything organized. If you value ease of use and portability for occasional tasks, consider this. What people say. The jack is very sturdy and well built, making it feel safe to use. It lifts the RV smoothly and without any issues, even with a heavy load. The design is compact and easy to store in the RV's storage compartment. Number 3. Camco Trailer Aid Plus RV Tire Ramp. Introducing the Camco Trailer Aid Plus, designed to give you ample lift for easy tire changes. Get the extra clearance you need for routine maintenance on your trailer or RV. Forget about unloading your cargo or horses. This innovative ramp allows you to change a flat tire without removing anything, saving you valuable time and effort. Constructed from strong, lightweight polymer, it's built to last. This ramp is waterproof and rust-proof, ensuring dependable performance for all your tire changing needs. With a robust weight capacity of up to 15,000 pounds, it provides secure support during tire changes. Please note compatibility with your trailer's axle spacing is important. Weighing only 8 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry and store. Take it anywhere your adventures lead, knowing tire maintenance is simple. What we like. If you're looking to change a tandem trailer tire quickly and without hassle, this is the solution. It provides ample lift to get the job done without removing cargo. Its durable yet lightweight construction makes it ideal for roadside emergencies. What people say. This jack is very sturdy and well built. It lifts the RV smoothly and easily. The wide base provides excellent stability. Number 2. Big Red T91203B Torin Hydraulic Bottle Jack. Introducing the Big Red T91203B Torin Hydraulic Bottle Jack. This powerful tool is designed for both home and professional use, offering exceptional lifting capabilities. It features a serrated, heat-treated saddle for a secure grip and a lifting range of 9 to 18 inches. The adjustable screw top adds extra versatility to handle various lifting needs. Engineered with drop-forged alloyed steel, this jack is built for quality and durability. Its welded structure ensures leak-free performance, providing reliable operation. The glide-action pressure pump allows for minimal effort lifting. It also includes built-in safety features like an oil bypass and overload valve to protect the hydraulic system. This jack meets ASME PAFOWO safety standards, ensuring your safety. It also comes with a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. For heavy-duty lifting needs, this jack offers superior capacity and an extended range. Its robust construction and built-in safety features ensure reliable performance for larger RVs and trailers. If you need serious lifting power and peace of mind, this is the one. What people say. It is a heavy-duty jack that can lift a lot of weight. The jack is very stable and easy to use, even on uneven ground. It comes with a carrying case, which makes it easy to store and transport. Number 1. PAFOWO RV Wheel Chock Stabilizer. Tired of your RV shaking? Our X-shaped design disperses vibrations, reducing shaking by 90% for a stable and peaceful journey. Say goodbye to tipping kitchenware and interrupted sleep. With a telescopic range from 3.5 to 12 inches, it fits a wide variety of vehicles including RVs, campers, and heavy trucks. Save money and avoid buying extra tools for different vehicles. Constructed from durable cast iron with a 15,000-pound load capacity, this stabilizer is built for outdoor durability. Its military-grade anti-rust coating ensures it can withstand the elements for over 10 years. Assembly is a breeze, even for one person. It comes with a ratchet wrench and adapter, allowing for quick installation and removal in just 1 minute. No extra tools are needed. Increased friction from anti-slip patterns prevents displacement, ensuring stability. The two-piece design secures both wheels simultaneously, making it safer for everyone, especially children and the elderly. What we like. If you're tired of your RV shaking while parked, these wheel chocks are the answer. Their X-shaped design significantly reduces wobble, providing a stable and secure feel. If you prioritize a quiet and steady camping experience, especially for families, these are a must-have. What people say. The jack is very easy to use and lift the RV. It is a heavy-duty jack that can handle the weight of the RV. The jack is stable and secure when in use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.